Here are the fastest animals on land, in water and in air. On land, the fastest animal is cheetah. With an average weight of around 50 kg, they can reach their top speed of 96 km per hour in less than 3 seconds. In water, the fastest animal is the sailfish. Weighing around 100 kg, sailfish can reach a speed of up to 110 km per hour. And in the air, the fastest bird is the peregrine falcon. Weighing around 1 kg, it is the fastest member of the animal kingdom, reaching a speed of around 320 km per hour. Peregrine falcon is found in almost all the continents except Antarctica.